On today's body cam, we're checking out this airport meltdown ended exactly how you'd expect.
Come on out the way. Come out the way.
I need my money back.
I don't want to cuff you and lock you up, but that's about to happen because you're not listening to me. Reach behind me and grab these cuffs. That's
You're
it.
so mean, and they took my
Over that way.
money.
Let them do what they got to do. Go over that way.
On October 4th in 2023, Atlanta, Georgia. What started as an airport disturbance quickly spiraled out of control when a frustrated passenger refused repeated orders to leave the terminal, forcing officers to make a decision she never saw coming.
You're not going to flight.
Why?
You're too intoxicated.
I'm not intoxicated. You can test me. You got to test me to tell that I'm intoxicated.
Listen. You don't want to go to jail, right?
No.
Okay. Just go ahead and get whatever you got to get, and let's go to the train, okay?
Go to where?
The train. You can't be down here because if you're not flying, you don't have a ticket.
I'm not intoxicated.
Okay.
So what I'm saying is they wrong.
Okay, listen to me. You just said you don't want to go to jail, right?
I'm not intoxicated. So you want to come? Who is your boss and your supervisor?
Officers were still giving her a chance to leave peacefully. Instead, she became more focused on making her flight.
Why? I'm not making this flight. And I paid for this.
So y'all not boarding because of this?
Why I'm not making this
Y'all
flight?
not boarding because of this?
I paid for this. I didn't do nothing to them. Why I'm not making my flight? And I didn't do anything. Like, what's the problem? Let me start recording. Because y'all think y'all making me. Like, hold on.
Okay.
I'm not.
You know what's the crazy part? When she says, let me get my phone out and start recording, everybody in that vicinity start busting out laughing. What a freaking joke, man. You could look in her eyes and tell she's been drinking, and the slurring of the words. You know what I'm saying? So it is what it is, man. You're done. You're done.
I'm making my flight because of what?
And just like that, the phone comes out. Unfortunately, cameras don't cancel airport rules.
I'm not, excuse me, ma'am, I'm serious. Because I have to go to my baby. I have to go to my
Mess around and
baby.
get arrested. You need to stop.
What am I
You need to
doing?
stop. You really need to stop.
For the next available flight, so you don't lose your.
Excuse me.
It's gonna be bad when you sober up and you're gonna be in jail.
I'm
You
sober.
Sound like an
You think I'm
old
not
timer.
sober?
already drink yourself.
I'm sober. I don't drink. I don't smoke. I don't do none of that. I'm extra hot, so I'm trying
I
to
done
get
did
to my
none of
baby.
that.
At this point, the issue was no longer the ticket. It was her refusal to comply with repeated instructions.
I need to make sure because I didn't do nothing wrong. So I'm gonna need to see your boss or some of your manager. I didn't do nothing wrong. So I'm trying to see her about. This is my flight I booked. I paid $200 for this. So I'm not finna just walk over there until you come. No, I need to see my money that I paid for. I paid my money for this.
Go ahead over there.
I ain't do this for no reason. And I did this for some reason.
Listen to me. I need you to listen to me. Listen to me real quick. In a second, I'm gonna pull out handcuffs and handcuff you. And
I'm
you go to
finna
jail.
just walk out.
Go over there.
I
Just
need
wait
my
over
money
there.
back.
Wait over there.
I need my money back.
Just wait over here.
I need my money back.
Come on over here.
I'm sorry, I need my money back.
I'm trying to help you out.
Excuse me. I need my money
I'm trying to help you out.
back.
Come on out the way.
I
Come
need
out
my
the way.
money back.
I don't want to cuff you and lock you up, but that's about to happen because you're not listening to me.
When officers start explaining how much they don't want to arrest you, that's usually a bad sign.
When I reach behind me and grab these cuffs, that's
You're
it.
so mean, and they took my
Go over that way.
money.
Let them do what they got to do. Go over that way. Go over there. Go
No,
over there.
they
You don't
gonna
need
let
to-
me on the
no,
plane. Yes, they are.
Go over there. Go
No,
over there.
no.
I'm trying not to lock you up.
Lock me up for what?
After several warnings, officers decided they had heard enough.
This is what you did.
Can you call your boss, please?
This is what you did.
Can you call your manager or your boss? Please, can you call him? Please call him. Because you putting the handcuffs around me now. Now I feel
I
kinda
tried to
stupid.
not do it.
Please call the boss. Call your boss, please. Because you putting this on me now. And I'm not like,
Stop.
call your boss. Please call him. Call him.
Stop snatching.
Call your boss or your manager. You're not taking me in jail for nothing. What you handcuffing me for? Hold on, let me turn my camera on. You handcuffing me for what? What are you handcuffing me for?
Come on.
What are you handcuffing me for?
Cut it out. Cut it out.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. I just told him. I just told him don't. What are you handcuffing? handcuffing me for? What are you handcuffing me for?
I didn't want to go that route, but you did it.
By law, officers don't need to argue.
Come on, man. Y'all just skipped the whole part. Like, how the hell did she end up on the ground, man? We supposed to see the slam, man. What the hell? You just skipped the whole thing. What's up with that? Yeah. She been talking all that jibber jab, man. Talking all that jibber jab. Get you together. You don't want to act right?
What are you handcuffing me for? What are you handcuffing me for?
I didn't want to go that route, but you did it.
By law, officers don't need to argue forever. Once lawful commands are ignored long enough, the conversation usually ends with handcuffs.
That's what you did.
That's what he doing to me. This what he doing to me. Like, that's what he doing. You got me up. Why are you smiling? No, it's not. No, if she can laugh, I can say whatever I want. It's not funny.
Even in handcuffs, she insisted she had done nothing wrong.
I don't drink liquor.
Okay.
So you saying that that's the wrong thing? I don't drink liquor.
Well, why are you acting the way you acting?
What?
Why are you acting?
Because I need to get to my baby.
Okay.
And she was telling me that I'm not going to get to my baby. She's saying 9:52 in the morning, and I'm telling her that I need to get to my baby tonight. I had a babysitter that was hard to work on. She's 6 months.
You got somebody we can call for you?
No, I don't.
Screaming. What is it with you? You on drugs or something? You've been drinking? What's wrong with you?
It's a 6-month-old baby.
Yeah, but you.
Yeah, you said.
But you're intoxicated.
I'm not.
You walking all over the place.
Baby.
You're shouting. Everybody's talking to your normal tone of voice. You're over here screaming.
I'm not.
Okay, what's going on with
I'm
you?
not drunk, for one.
What did you take?
I didn't take anything.
The officers understood the situation. The problem was that getting home doesn't override airport security policies.
I'm okay.
You on something.
Huh?
You're on something. You're not sober. So I don't know what's going on with you.
Baby.
But if there's somebody we can call for you, we'll do it. We got somebody at the house we can call for you? So they know what's going on with you? Yes?
See, the officer really didn't want to have to do it to her, you know what I'm saying? But she brought it upon herself. You know, you could tell this officer right here, he probably got daughters and stuff like that, you know what I mean? Because I thought he was real lenient, you know. He's like, yo, I don't want to have to lock you up. I don't want to, just move to the side. Just move to the side. Here, come over here. Come over here. And at every twist and turn, she gave resistance. It's like, damn, you leaving them no choice. Now this is bad for you. Like, you got a 6-month-old that you leaving with a babysitter or whatever. And then it's just a sad situation, man. Stop drinking, going to the airport. I don't know why people be doing that shit, man.
Who can we call for you?
I just want to go to my baby.
But,
I didn't do nothing.
Well, like the officer told you, you're not going to be able to make it tonight. So
Okay, could y'all take this off of me?
I said, stop. You gonna go to jail. And the ticket agent was like, he trying to tell you, oh, buddy. He was begging her.
Go to jail for what?
And they was like, we just
Go to jail for what? That's so fake. I didn't do anything to go to jail.
As reality set in, her frustration started spilling out in unexpected ways.
You made my shoe come off.
he's pulling up. Just put it down.
You made my shoe come off.
I got it.
What a
Let
trip.
her purse you on.
You made my shoe come off. Like,
You made your shoe come
no,
off.
you made that. Please. I swear you could throw that shit. I'm just
I'm putting charges on her for real.
Bro, what? said you gay. I ain't no shit. Get your gay ass on.
Sit down. Sit down.
Yeah, I know.
Act up.
Get your gay ass on.
Come on.
Freaky body ass. That's how I'm happy I was a nigga
Get up.
my whole life.
Yep. You stupid.
Yep. Get your gay ass on. So freaky. Then they stick that deep. Stuck it deep. This way.
The complaints didn't stop, and neither did the chaos.
Then, have a seat. Get your feet off the door.
Get my dog. Stop it. Get out of me.
Stop it.
Get out of me. Get out of me.
You got a seatbelt?
Put your hands.
Stop.
You can put the seatbelt on you. Hey.
Go on the other side, Lucy. She trying to kick and bite.
I'm trying to kick the box.
That's you.
Let me go.
Miss, listen to me. Listen
Put
to
your
me.
feet down.
Listen to me. Down. Chill out.
Somebody you in there.
Miss.
Get your gay ass on.
By now, the airport incident was over. The jail process was just beginning.
So you're going to Clayton County Jail.
I'm going to where?
Clayton County.
Clayton County Jail.
Yes, ma'am.
For what? I'm going to Clayton County. I'm going for what? Yeah. Yes, and I'm going to. They say I'm going to Clayton County Jail. For what?
I don't know what he's charging you with.
I don't know what they charge me with either, but I need to know before I go in
He'll tell
here.
you. He'll tell you.
Okay, I need to hurry up and know.
Okay. As soon as he gets here, he'll let you know.
Okay, I need to hurry up and know. So who?
I'm not sure. In the drawer, top drawer.
Why is she still on the phone?
She missed her flight, got arrested, and ended up heading to jail anyway.